Good morning, dear students, and it's good to have you back in the maths class. My dear children, I am aware how much you all love to solve your sums, and as you remember, during Thursday, we did some of the addition sums. Now, my children, I know that you're all able to confidently learn your different techniques of addition that has been taught to you during double digit and single digit addition, right? Along with that, how best we can solve our sums using keeping our calm, using the techniques that Neha ma'am is teaching you, and the practice that mummy and daddy taking from you. My dear children, all the sums that we do, every concept that we go ahead with, it is a clear information that I have shared with you that you all have to. There is no other way. Do the same sums, two or three, or now you can do four sums in your square line copies. Do not keep the copies empty. Don't save it for next month or next year. Reason being, your assessment or your evaluation marks, my dear children, depend on these. Okay? So please take my words very seriously, complete it, and I shall be seeing it during interaction. As you know, we cannot gather all the worksheets and all the maths pictures that mummy sends it to us in the phone or on the laptop. Okay, so please make sure that you're keeping it all ready for the interaction, as I will be marking you when we will be talking in the next interaction as well. Okay, so today is one of our favorite topic. Quickly, let us go ahead and write the date first. It is 2/3/23. Oh my God, after like Diwali, we've come so far to 23rd of November. Soon next year it's going to be December, Christmas time. I am happy to know that your people are keeping safe. You've had a safe Diwali. You did not burst a lot of crackers that that spread pollution and that even annoy and cause a lot of discomfort to the animals. So I'm very proud of each and every one of you. One or two crackers for shagun's sake is okay, but not bursting it like we used to have it earlier. Times are very different, and keeping in mind the COVID situation, I hope you people are keeping safe. You enjoyed the last Friday's video that we shared with you with the COVID precautions. Please make sure that you adhere, which means that you follow those things. Washing your hands for 20 seconds, always wearing a mask while going out, reminding mommy and daddy to wear a mask, wear a glove, because you children are to be safe. Okay, that's why we have kept you at home, so that nothing and no disease should even touch you, is our prayer. Okay, now we begin with story sums. We're going to read it with the same technique and we will solve it together. 7 children in the school bus, 5 more join them. How many children in the bus? So 7 and 5 are single digit, it will come in ones. Which is the bigger number? 7. 7, lock it in your mind. 5 on my finger. Count after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Isn't it? Now 12 is a double digit number. So 1 will come in tens and 2 will come in ones. So here you will write 12 children in the bus. Okay. 9 boats in the sea. 4 more join them. How many boats in all? So first the number given is 9. Then 4 more join the bus. The word join means both join in, means adding. So 9 plus 4. 9 on my mind, 4 on my finger. Count after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here 13 boats in all. 9 dogs and 7 cats in the playground. How many animals in all? So 9 dogs and 7 cats. Again, which is the bigger number? 9. Lock 9 in your mind. 7 on my finger. Count after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Isn't it? So this number is 16 animals in all. Right, my dear children? Please make sure that you're writing this along with Nehana. Okay? Just continue writing it for now. Okay? And we will go ahead with the next set of sums. 8 flowers in a vase. 5 more are put in. So 8 are there already, 5 more are put in. So 8 plus 5. I'm only writing this, you will write the remainder. Okay? Write the answer. Similarly, you will write the answer here. This is how the D and the E question you're going to do. It's a quick revision of what we had earlier also done, but now we are moving ahead with our practice. Okay, so the date is given on the worksheet, and now quickly write this section. You're in first E. Name, not my name, your name. You should know your first and your last name. Okay, and we will begin with solving the word problems. Ravi has 9 apples. So quickly, let's just write 9 here because it's a single digit. Soham has 8 apples. What are these called? These are called vertical addition. What is the total number of apples they have together? 9 plus 8, 9 on my mind, 8 on my finger. Count after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So the answer is 17. John has 11 marbles. Jatin has 8. Now here this is interesting. 11 is a double digit number. 8 is a single digit number. How many marbles do they have together? 8 plus 1, ones and ones only, and always you will do the addition from ones first. 8 plus 1, the number becomes 9. There is no number here, so the 1 will be carried forward like carried here. So number becomes 19. This is how the greater numbers addition becomes easy. The C1, you're going to do it on your own. Even the D and the E1, I'm keeping it for you. Okay, these are not that difficult, you can do it. Throw 2 dice at a time. Very good activity, you need to put your brains here. Throw 2 dice at a time. Add these 2 numbers that are on the dice. Write down the answers on the paper. Do this 10 times. If the number is already there, then take another chance. So example, if on the dice the number will come 3 and the other number will come 4, okay, on the dice. So 4 here, then you will write, then you will write this 10 times different equations, different sums. Okay, so keep on throwing the dices and finding the combination and writing the number. So one time you roll the dice, the number comes 2. Okay, I'm showing you another example. Plus again you have rolled the dice, the number comes 1. Okay, answer becomes 3. So here you've got the answer, isn't it? This is how we need to do the activity and write it 10 times. Do this activity 10 times. It's a wonderful activity. Please solve the worksheets. Keep it ready for interaction. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.